Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Lee and I come from Bukit Mertajam, Penang, and now I'm staying in Kluang Johor. And please have a look at this number 019-7878-299. If you want to buy my book, please WhatsApp me now because it's getting very fast. My book will be sent to the printing company because our government has mentioned that we can start certain businesses, and I think the printing company, if they are open on the 4th, if they are allowed to open on the 4th of May, then I'll be able to send my book there for printing. So once that happens, they have promised me that within 10 days, the books will be ready. So then I will start sending to everyone who has ordered. And from there, I will be uploading videos and teaching you from the first lesson of my book, follow my book, until the last lesson in YouTube channel, so you can follow. So sometimes I worry, you buy the book but then halfway you give up or you get demotivated, you know, not you but a certain person. So because of that, I'm going to guide you. As you do your own self-study, I'm going to guide you at the side here. So you can keep watching my videos and find out why you didn't understand or where you go wrong, and then check the answers behind is provided, and the explanation is given, but I will explain again on my YouTube channel so that you really understand. Alright, so I have come to this lesson 135, a question asked by subscriber or subscribers. Sometimes I group together, but actually the subscriber asked me two words. It's because the subscriber asked me it's and wants and requests that I explain. I need to teach all. I think I should teach all so that you fully understand. Now, the it that you give me is a small letter, but there is a big letter for it as well in grammar, the word it. And I will teach you one more. My next lesson, lesson 136, I will teach this one. But the subscriber asked me this and this, but I add two more for you so that you fully understand. Okay? So first of all, I teach the big I, capital letter. Now the it here is called personal pronoun in grammar. But personal pronouns, we have 7. So I, you, we, they, he, she, it. All these are called personal pronouns, including the keyword it, which I today want to focus because of the subscriber. Now, personal pronouns, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, big letters, capital letters. We use it as the subject of the sentence. Subject is the head, the starting point of the sentence, and the whole story is about this subject. So, I like to eat fish. I is a personal pronoun. You like to eat fish. You is a personal pronoun. We like to eat fish. We is a personal pronoun. They like to eat fish. They is a personal pronoun. He likes to eat fish. He is a personal pronoun. She likes to eat fish. She is a personal pronoun. It likes to eat fish. It, capital letter, big letter, is a personal pronoun. And remember what I have taught you. I, you, we, they. You can see that the verb cannot put S. But he, she, and it, you put S for the verb. Okay, I'm repeating, revision. Now, it, now small letter, as asked by the subscriber. Now, it, small letter, again, as the object of the sentence. All these are the object of the sentence. Object means the last one, the last word. That's called the object. The object for I is me. The object of you is you. The object for we is us or us. The object for they is them. Some people say them is okay. The subject for he is him. The subject for she is her. The subject for it is it. Same. It. They are the same. You, same. So it, you, same. The rest are not the same. So let me show you how to do it. I combine this subject and object together, so you know how to use. Say for example, I say I have a car. The car belongs to me because I subject, me object. And just to I had a subscriber who asked me, why and why the? Because it's repeated. First time you use second time you use the. When you repeat the same thing, change to the. So I have a car, the car belongs to me. You have a car, the car belongs to you. We have a car, subject, the car belongs to us, object. They have a car, the car belongs to them or them. Again, it becomes the object. He has a car, the car belongs to him. He is the subject, him is the object. She has a car, the car belongs to her. She is the subject, her is the object. It has a ball. It is the keyword I'm teaching today. But all this I still have to teach. I have no choice. It has a ball. It may be the cat. Subject. The ball belongs to it. Object. So you can see it, you, I, me, we, us, they, them, he, him, she, her, and then you, it. So this is the subject, the first word, and then here is the object, the last one. Okay, and then I show you now this one. As asked, this is asked by the subscriber. So I show you now. This is you. You ask me this. So it's is called possessive adjective in grammar. And all these, mine, your, our, their, his, her, its, all these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all these are called possessive adjectives. So I make sentences to show you how to use. Example, I have a car. This is my car. Okay? You have a car. This is your car. After the word mine and your, you cannot put full stop. You cannot. There must be a thing, or my sister, a person, or my cat, animal, or my house, place. people, animals, things, or places. You cannot put my and you put a full stop here. Cannot. You must put something else behind. There must be a noun. People, example, this is my mother. Animal, this is my cat. Things, this is my ruler. Places, this is my house. This is my school. We have a car. This is our car. They have a car. This is their car. He has a car. This is his car. She has a car. This is her car. It has a ball. This is its ball. So you can see that I, mine, you, your, we, our, they, their, he, his, her, she, her, it, its. So I have already explained. This subscriber who asked me these two, but I bring in two more. So today I have taught you, now I have already finished teaching you 3. Tomorrow or the next lesson, if tomorrow I'm free, I'll do it. If not, another time. So in lesson 136, I will bring this in. It's with, you can see with apostrophe. So once you know all this, you will not make mistakes in your writing or maybe your speaking, especially essay writing. Some students, you know, they are so unhappy. They tell me, they say, oh, Dr. Lee, I have written 300, 400, 500 words, but I'm getting these marks. Then I say, show me your essay. And then they show me the essay. Wow, full of grammatical mistakes. So you may have the points. Your content may be very good. Your introduction may be very outstanding. Your conclusion could be very good, excellent. But then the whole essay is what I call ruined, or you know, ruined means destroyed, or you just can't get the message across because it was full of grammatical errors. That is why I choose grammar first. Once you get your grammar correct, many things will be very smooth. You become fluent in your speaking or writing. Of course, when you talk about essay writing, you must have the vocabulary. But knowing the vocabulary is not enough, because you need all these grammar words to join together so that it becomes a proper sentence. So to write a good essay, you just get yourself in order, get yourself right, get your grammar correct, and then bring in vocabulary related to the title. I think you can do it. Okay, I think you can do it. But get your grammar right first. Okay, I just received a comment from a subscriber. I think it's a she. Headache. It's so complicated. So I say, sabarlah, just be patient. Learn slowly, learn step by step. Once you get it, it's easy. Okay, but if you cannot get it, you have to keep trying. You can't tell me that you want to give up. For me, I think if you give up, it will be a waste. Firstly, English is an international language. All over the world, people use English. Imagine we cannot. It's just like a person who should have 2 legs, but then she only has 1 or he only has 1. See how difficult it is. Huh? So in Malaysia, yes, Bahasa Malaysia is very important. Very important. It's our national language. And I strongly believe that every Malaysian should be good in Bahasa Malaysia or Bahasa Melayu. But then we must bear in mind, English reaches out to the whole world. We must know. It's important that we know. It doesn't matter you are a student, a little child, or an adult. It is good to know. That is why I choose to share with you. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope to see you again. Alright? I hope you understand. Okay? That I, you, we, they, he, she, it is called personal pronouns. It is used in the beginning of the sentence. And then I, when you use it in the beginning of a sentence, the same meaning is me when you use it as the last word, the object. You, we, us, they, them, he, him, she, her, it, same. It and you, same, it. This is the last. But these two same meaning. And then I have a car becomes my car. I, mine. You, your. We, our. They, their. He, his. She, her. It, its. But remember that when you use my, your, our, their, his, her, its, behind you cannot put full stop. You need to put either people, example, sister, animal, example, cow, goat, rabbit, or example is a thing, a radio, television, mobile phone, or an animal. Could be a cat, it could be, or I'm sorry, a place, could be a house, a hotel, a river, school, office, and so on. Okay, so that's all for this time. I hope to see you again in my next video, where I will introduce its and I repeat all, so you can fully understand. So goodbye everyone. Hope to see you again. Please give me a like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.